Hearing health has a profound impact on daily life, communication, and relationships. Mohamed Alkadry is a registered hearing aid practitioner at Medicine Place Hearing Care, and he joins us with more. Good morning to you.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Great to have you with us. Why don't we start off by talking about why is it so important to take care of our hearing health?
So hearing health is important because it's one of our five senses, and it's essential to communication, to your overall health and well-being, and just overall enjoyment and quality of life. If you're struggling to hear somebody, then you may withdraw from a situation so you don't have to struggle and always ask them to repeat themselves. It can be frustrating for yourself and for the person who's speaking to you. It's also essential in the sense of your overall health and safety. So, for example, if you struggle with your hearing and you can't hear your smoke alarm when it goes off at night, and you're not able to hear that, then it can cause a lot of I guess it could be really, really dangerous for you and for anybody else around you. Same thing in the workplace and just your overall enjoyment. If you weren't able to hear, for example, the hockey game after that exciting game last night, then it takes away a lot of that enjoyment. So it could probably, lead people to, avoid situations like that altogether because their enjoyment's pretty much has been really affected by that.
Okay, and when should we get our hearing tested?
So it really depends on the individual. So, as we kind of get older, we see our hearing change. So if you work in a noisier environment or you're over the age of 65, then I suggest, getting your hearing tested annually, just so we can monitor those thresholds. But I would normally say between 1 to 2 years to get our hearing tested, just like any other healthcare service, like getting your eyes checked or going to the dentist or anything like that. So.
Okay, and doing it regularly and kind of just keeping track if there's any changes.
Yeah. Sure.
What can we do to protect our hearing?
So protecting our hearing, things like wearing hearing protection in noisy environments, even going to concerts and wearing just something like a disposable earplug that you throw away after, it's essential to helping preserve that hearing health for you. I have actually some custom hearing protection that I wear for sleep here.
Okay.
I'm just going to take out the hearing aid I have in here, and then I'm going to place the earplug in. So this helps me sleep better than I've ever slept.
Wow.
I'm a really light sleeper, and it's perfectly molded to my ear, and I don't hear a thing for better or worse for the people who try and wake me up in the morning. But, but it works out really good. And
it's fitted to your ear. You're not going to lose it in the middle of the night.
Nope.
And like you said, it cuts all the noise out.
Cuts most of the noise out, you know. So.
What other devices are available to help with hearing?
So things to help with hearing, something like I have a behind the ear hearing aid that it really helps with amplifying sound, localizing sound, reducing sudden really high impact noises. They're really, really discreet. So this really helps with getting a more balanced sound.
And I'm wearing a microphone right now.
Yes, so you're wearing something called a Connect clip. It's essentially a remote microphone that if we were at a distance, say if you were, example, teaching a class and I was a student in the classroom, I'd be able to hear your speech directly into my hearing aids. So I wouldn't have to struggle to listen, and I wouldn't miss out on anything in the lesson. So
perfect. So lots of different solutions. I want to thank you so much for coming in and giving people something to think about. And it is important to check out our hearing health.
Absolutely, yeah. We're here to educate the people about it, and we're excited to help more people empower their, optimize their hearing health through, the use of hearing aids and getting their hearing tested. So
perfect. If you have questions about your hearing, you can find out more at medicineplace.ca. The opinions expressed do not constitute professional advice. Please contact a registered hearing aid practitioner, registered audiologist, or family doctor before making any decisions.